All right, here are the next problems going through number 11. Now again, finding the sum, combining like terms. 8x to the fifth combines with that. Now you also notice in your answers, none of these are like x to the 10th, okay? Whenever you're combining like terms or adding and subtracting polynomials, okay, you have to find the base and the exponent have got to be the same. All right, so now you have x squared, doesn't go with x squared, so it's just going to stay a positive x squared. X goes with x, that's 5x, 2 and 12, 14. All right, same here with 12, okay, same exact problem, everything. Okay, starting at 13, I've given you kind of instructions on how to be able to enter these values. So, you would go into your calculator, just like I have right here. Let me kind of set them side by side. Okay. Put all values into L3. So we're going to push, well, we're going to turn it on first, and then we're going to push stat. We're in the edit version. Okay, stat, press edit. Once all values are pushed, all right, so we go over into edit, and I want it in L3. So I scroll up and go over to L3. All right, so I'm going to enter all of those numbers, okay? And so we're going to enter them all in, okay? And then once I have them all in, okay, go back to your calculator, go to calculate, enter, and you're going to hit second, and if you put them in 3, so L3 pops up. Okay, and so all of these are asking for the interquartile range. So that is Q3 minus Q1 in your one variable statistics. Okay, scroll all the way down to the bottom where you find Q3 and Q1. That is your interquartile range. All right, next one. Again, finding interquartile range. Oops, I'm sorry. Trying to make sure I'm focusing on the right one. There we go. Interquartile range, same exact steps. Okay. Then they want you, okay, to see, now we're going to be looking at box and whisker plots of what they should look like. Your minimum should be this number down here. Your Q1 is the median from the minimum to the median. Okay, and then Q3 is the middle number from median to the max. That's why I call this Q3 and Q1 interquartile. Okay, so that's what it should look like. So when we get up here to these numbers on 16, okay, be careful, this is 22.5, 27.5. All right, and so in this one, if I'm not mistaken, my smallest number, just looking at it, is 16. Okay, well there's 2 right here, okay, that touch on 16. All right, and then I see that my largest number appears to be 29. So there's my largest number, okay? So I know it's one of these 2. So then I have to figure out, is my Q1 20, median 22, and Q3 25, or is my median 22, median, or Q1 22, median 24, okay, and it looks like about 27.5. So anyway, that's on the box plots. Here at 17, okay, same thing, just being able to read them. Find your smallest. It appears that in this one the smallest is 7. Again, B and C are options. Okay, so 7. All right, my largest number is 21. Here's the largest number. What's Q1, median, and Q3? So you're going to, with each of these, you're going to enter them in. Okay, on this, kind of a long problem right there. Okay, you're going to draw your own box and whisker plot. Well, if you find your minimum, which that tells you in the one variable statistics, put it here, Q1, draw a box, to Q3, median, okay, and then a whisker for the max. All right, on to number 19. Let's get this kind of turned back around. On to 19. Check whether the relation is a function. If yes, then give the domain and range. Don't worry about domain and range, but pretty much in this one, okay, this is not a function because I have two values for x. This one, 1, 5, 7, 8, okay? I have completely different values of x, so I know that this is going to be a function. All right, it's okay if these are 2 and 2, 6 and 6, okay? That's fine. All right, but I know it's a function. All right, now on to question 21.